When you think of Volvo, you often imagine a brand that prioritizes safety and timeless Scandinavian design. The XC90 has been a flagship of that philosophy for years. Today, we take a look at the 2026 Volvo XC90, a concept that promises to continue its legacy as a symbol of elegance, capability, and unwavering safety. If you're a fan of Volvo's design language or simply appreciate a vehicle that offers peace of mind, be sure to hit that subscribe button now. Like this video if you enjoy cars that combine style with substance, and share it with anyone looking for the ultimate family SUV. Let's explore this incredible machine. Okay, let's start with the exterior, and this 2026 SUV is. This is an SUV that looks equally at home in a busy city or on a winding forest road. Large, intricate wheels and bold character lines further emphasize its imposing stance, while flared black fenders convey a sense of toughness and resilience. At the rear, sleek vertical taillights provide a striking modern touch, emphasizing the vehicle's width and sophisticated minimalism. It's an instantly recognizable and undeniably forward-looking design. Now, let's move inside, because the cabin is beautiful. The seats, upholstered in the finest leather, are designed for ultimate comfort, with a clean and elegant finish. The digital instrument panel behind the steering wheel provides all the essential information in a clear and modern layout. With a panoramic sunroof and a perfectly designed cabin, the XC90 feels incredibly spacious and quiet. This interior is proof that true luxury isn't about clutter, but rather about thoughtfully designed spaces that make every journey truly enjoyable. This 2026 Volvo XC90 concept is a stunning vision for the future of the brand. It demonstrates a commitment to maintaining the timeless design traits that have made it an icon, while embracing cutting-edge technology and a refined, minimalist aesthetic. What do you think of this stunning XC90 concept? Is this the best family SUV for you? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us for this exciting preview. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth insights into the world's most incredible cars. See you in the next video.